Must transform to stay competitive. But every solution is as unique as its company. With SP's company and workforce transformation, we make these journeys possible.
Taising has been exploring Industrial 4.0 solutions for a while, but the path to transformation is not always easy. We have been working with SP for over 5 years, and when they introduced CWT to us, we knew from day one that this was going to be very useful.
Our regular customers knows that what completes a bowl of Lee Sing fishball noodles is our blend of sauces. But with 16 outlets all over Singapore, we started getting feedback that the noodle taste was inconsistent, thus affecting our quality. So we decided to approach SP because we know that they have the capabilities to help us to develop a solution that solves this issue.
SP's CWT is an integrated platform for enterprise transformation. We offer end-to-end solutions which address a business pain points, optimize their processes, and provide upskilling opportunities for employees. SP is dedicated to helping SMEs advance in their transformation journey, no matter which stage they are in.
Initially, our aim was just to make a machine that dispenses the various sauces. But SP's Food Innovation and Resource Center thought through all the things that we never consider, like maintenance and how to integrate into our existing operations. One obstacle that we faced was that the chili sauce would separate because of all the different ingredients. So the team also helped us to reformulate our chili sauce while keeping the original taste. SP really went above and beyond our expectations.
Everything is very hands-on. SP helped us develop a roadmap to see where we could be in a few years' time, and that aligned the whole company to our transformation journey. SP also introduced us to their AM Lead program. We got the chance to travel to Germany to visit Porsche and see how Industrial 4.0 enhances factories of leading NMCs. It was so eye-opening because it showed us what was possible for Taising.
Transformation is complex. That's why SP aims to make the process as simple as possible, so that we can encourage more SMEs to embark on this journey.
I feel SP really understands the industry, and their project-based approach has been very valuable for us.
Whatever needs your company may have, SP will work with you to make it possible.
So that instead of this, we can do this.
And instead of this, we can do this.
That's why Singapore Polytechnic, together with AI Singapore, co-developed the AI learning journey to kickstart SME's digital transformation journey. The digital era is here to stay. It is becoming increasingly important for various industries to strengthen their digital capabilities. Through innovation, solutioning, and training, SP empowers businesses to leverage AI, data science, and analytics to support their digital transformation.
AI can seem complicated and daunting at first, but SP's step-by-step guidance demystified the world of data analytics, and KDC has further transformed digitally. Before, our reports were tediously written by hand. Now, we have an application to report any worksite risk in a matter of minutes, increasing our productivity.
At TSM, our work deals with huge amount of data. Learning from the AI learning journey, we digitalize our systems. Now, all our data is condensed and made easily accessible. The upgrade to AI has allowed us to collect, categorize, and analyze data accurately and efficiently, ensuring that Singapore's roads are safe for all of us to journey on.
Utilizing AI is no longer a bonus. It is a necessity in current times. As the National R&D Program for AI, we assist SMEs with developing more advanced AI systems that are tailored to their unique needs. AI Singapore's collaboration with SP not only helps with the accelerated
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Wow, the place is buzzing. I have one wish.
What's your wish?
I don't want this to end.
Oh.
No, seriously. It's like, wow, gathering of like-minded individuals. A lot of things. I'm like, as I stand here during lunch, I'm like crafting my lesson plan for the next, earlier I said the next 2 weeks, but I think it's for the next semester. I already have everything planned out for my entrepreneurship model.
And you know what, I'm really happy because I was eating, of course, and then people were coming up and saying, hey, you know, let's make connection. So I met lots of people. I met Sam, who's one of our laureates. Later, he'll share about the game, okay, that he's created with his team. I've also met people from Mumbai, India, as well as from Bandung, Indonesia, and you know, it'll be wonderful if we continue to make these connections.
Yes, I met people from Bangalore. Bala, who was here actually yesterday from the panel, he posed a question. He asked Mario, he said, what is the career pathway for designers? Mario, would you like to repeat your answer? He asked the question, he said, I wanted to ask the question, what is the pathway for designers? If I'm studying it, what happens to me afterwards? So what's the pathway to become a chief experience officer?
Here we go.
Just a quick one, right? Yeah.
Gohan, I don't need to remember what I answered, right? My gist of it was that I don't really see like a path as such or ladders or such. I gave an answer where my observation has been that either people double down on the practice, they become really, really good at the practice, they're a voice for it, but they're not necessarily bringing people along. So they're individual but deep specialists, and you're going to be working with those people. But you're also going to be part of teams, and those teams have designers, and I'm in that category, that want to bring the people along with them, depart their knowledge, share how to work a room, all the intricate stuff, and also, your design discipline. So that's more people-focused. And I don't mean that from a management perspective. It's more who do you work with and who do you work for. I was told, I didn't share that, I was told when I was at a company that had that structure, if you want the easy path in design, pick principle. You don't have to apologize to anyone, you just have to bend them to your will. Yeah, I tried that.
Didn't work? Didn't work, huh?
It failed spectacularly. It failed in front of my clients. It failed in front of my team. My team didn't back me up. My client abandoned me.
Wow.
I was almost out of a job because I thought force would do it. I am the authority, therefore. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. You can be a principal, but even as a principal, you will work with people. And people are, they're allowed to have their thoughts about your practice, about your suggestions, and about their own. How do I get this title? I really don't have an answer for it. That was decided for me. I said, thank you, okay. What does that mean? It's up to me to determine.
Thanks, Mario. I don't mean to put you on the spot.
No,
well,
it's been happening for 2 days already, so no.
Yes, well, I'm an HR practitioner. So I believe what I said to Bala is in the audience. What I said to him is that in School of Business, Singapore Polytechnic, what we believe is that we create impact across domain. So human resources it's across, regardless of what your expertise or domain practices are, you can infuse a lot of this HCD plus human-centered design principles anywhere.
I'm totally agreeing. I was going to say, not only is HR like the butter, I think really HCD plus is.
Don, you will be interested about this. I also spoke to someone, I will not name the names because I don't want to put people on the spot, but he's from Australia. And he told me that, you know, when I got into this job, I'm the only designer in the company. He said, when I got into this job, they told me to come in and solve problems. Look at issues, do transformation. And now that the problems have been solved, it's time to do the design. And I thought, shouldn't it be the other way around? Right? So maybe, again, it's something to think about. I love the conversations happening here. I have someone also from Indonesia, from India, saying that they love that we put this together for them, and they look forward for the next one.
So I think, Emma, we really should stop talking.
Yes.
Because I think everyone's really raring to go, okay? And we'll invite, sorry, Mario, if you don't mind, thank you. We pulled you up shortly, but we're going to invite now Aznan as well to come up, okay? Because he's going to share a lot with us about the HCD Plus Rosetta. Okay, he's the man.
Welcome,
Aznan. Organizing committee, lots of work done by him and his team. So kudos to him. Okay, I'll take it away.
Thanks, Emma and Liman. I just thought I wanted to take the opportunity to answer a question that Mario asked the panel and all of us earlier on about what HCD Plus means to all of us. So a lot of the work that we have done at SP has been a culmination of trying to make sense of the work that we have done with organizations, with agencies, and also to do a bit of capability development, how we can make sense of the understanding of the world. Now, I have this very interesting conversation with Tamsin every now and then about scaffolding and structures, but what we find sometimes when you're dealing with complexity, some frames or some ways of thinking will be a kind of an interesting way for you to kind of unpack that complexity. So what you are seeing behind me right now is what we at SP are calling the HCD Plus Innovation Rosetta. So just like the rose, and I love the terraforming analogy that Mario started off with the waves and all of that, but the idea here is at the heart of HCD Plus innovation is the need to be able to unpack the intersection of four very complex things that will always pull us as designers in multiple directions. And that is, what do we do with our understanding of the people that we're working with, the people that we're working for, as we are trying to design products for them. So now we use the word products as a very generic expression to understand not only physical products, but also services, also virtual as well as real experiences,